Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can create an account on a Hinge app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, first of all, go ahead, open up your Hinge app on your phone, and right afterwards you can find this option of create account and sign in. Go ahead, tap on this create account for the purpose, enter your particular number, tap on next. Then once you've added your particular number, you're going to tap on this particular icon. Then you will receive a verification code. Simply go ahead, enter the code. Then afterwards you will have to simply provide your name, your birth date, and then your preference, men and women, including your gender. And then once you've provided those details, you will have to add in some interest details of yours. If you want to skip through it, you can skip through it. Then afterwards you will be able to create yourself an account in the Hinge app, and you can go to your profile and edit out the details afterwards as well once you're done. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.